Okay, let's try to answer this question together. So first, let's read it. If one organ is an acceptation of another organ, okay, so here in this part of the sentence, we need to know what is an acceptation. Uh, and then which of the following statement is the most accurate. Okay, so the first option is that two organs have the same function. The two organs are homologous. So homologous, we need to understand what is acceptation and homologous. The two organs occur in the same species, and the two organs undergoing convergent evolution. Okay, so we need to know what is convergent evolution, homologous, and acceptation. Okay, so let me show you the answer. The answer will be the two organs are homologous. Yeah, so acceptation and homologous. Yeah, the most accurate of an acceptation here is homologous. So let me explain why. Okay, so now let's see this example of evolution to explain why homologous traits are related to acceptation. And here we have a fin fish that use this limb, that is a fin, to swim, while here in early amphibian, it is used for walking. Yeah, this is an example of a trait that change, yeah, and it evolved with one purpose and then modified to have a different purpose from swimming to walking. And acceptation is exactly that. And acceptation is the process of adaptation of a trait for a purpose other than what the trait was evolved for. So it was evolved for swimming, now is used for walking. Yeah, and you can see that a process of acceptation, and you can analyze what is a homologous trait. Yeah, and you will see that a homologous trait can also can be an example of an acceptation. Yeah, so here you see all the different structures, all the different limbs. So here the same limbs, they diverge. And there was a process of divergence, yeah, and now the same traits, the bones have changed, and in humans they took this form. In other in mammals that swims, they turn into fin. In horses they took this shape, and so it's the same trait. So it was used for one purpose. They have the common ancestor, but then it changed to adapt better to environment. So it's not the same concept, but they are related. Okay, so acceptation and homologous structures are concepts that they can be related. On the other hand, acceptation and convergence evolution uh, is they are not as related. So let me show you. Okay, so now, if you remember the question, if one organ is an acceptation or another organ, so that it was modified, that it appeared with one purpose and now it changed and to have another purpose, then which of the following statements is more accurate? So here we have an example of divergent evolution, and here an example of convergent evolution. In convergent evolution, for example, the flight evolved in this case twice, so the traits converge. Yeah, two different traits have now the same purpose, and in the case of divergent evolution, you have traits that they were similar and now they are used for a different purpose. So based on this definition, convergent evolution is not definitely not the most accurate. Yeah, because acceptation is that they were invented for one reason and then uh, it evolved for a different purpose. Yeah, so this is closer to an example of divergent evolution or convergent traits. So this is why convergent evolution is wrong. If you have any other question, please let me know. Have a good day and bye.